G'day, V-Dub here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're continuing with the Baja, and we're going to install the Speedo as part of putting the dash back together. So still working under the bonnet of the car. We're going to move on and I'll install the speedometer, which goes over there. So let's get stuck into that. This is the trim ring for the Speedo of the Beetle, of the Baja, and it should have tangs, little bits of aluminium that stick out, and there's 4 of them. And this just fits around the speedometer, but in that hole, and it's just to make it look pretty. So that goes up against your dash. And as you can see from this one, when the painter took it off, he must have snapped off those tangs because all 4 are gone. But luckily, I've got a place in Perth here that has old VW spares, and so that's really what I'm talking about. Is it should have those little tangs on the back. So now that I've got that, this is a nice chrome one, but I want it matte, actually probably gloss black. So I'm going to spray that now. So this is what the trim ring looks like after we sprayed that up. So let's install that now. Moving to the Beetle, we just need to remove the masking tape. And then we'll also untape the speedometer. there it is. Oh, I think we need to paint that as well. So looking at this trim ring, you'll notice it's thicker at the top and thinner at the bottom, which is the same, I'm not sure if you can see in there, but it's the same in the car. At the top it's thicker, and as you come down and round, it gets thinner at the bottom. So that's how you install it. Then just using a flat screwdriver, I'm going to just allow the pins to come in and then flip them over. And then with a little bit of pressure with my hand on the back, I'm just going to flip those tangs down and lock it in. Being a second-hand part, that bottom one is already snapped off. So the other three are in, so I'll leave it at that. And going round inside, came out quite nicely. So the speedometer looks a bit ratty, so I'm just going to clean it up. Okay, if you see these two clips, it's for the two screws that go in there, and you basically put the speedometer on and turn it and it clips down. So these are the two screws, and the one has a earth connection. Let's fit the speedo. There we go. So once again, you fit it into the circular hole at a slight angle, and you turn it so that it locks into the screws, and then you tighten the screws. So looking inside the car, I think it came out quite well. The next step is going to be to sort out the wiring and install the fuse box. But look at all these wires that have been joined, so this may well be harder than it looks. So yeah, probably will all start happening in the next video. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.